We're now joined by the CEO of MicroTERRA, Marissa Cuevas Flores. Hi Marissa, thanks for joining us.
Hi Julie, my pleasure.
Now I'd like to begin by asking you how you plan to get these ingredients, which we've just seen, into the market quickly.
Sure. So we built our go-to-market strategy by talking to a lot of customers, and we have decided that going for restaurants is the smartest way to do. Why? Because they have shorter sales cycles, they require smaller volumes, and they provide higher margins. But on top of that, these chefs are creating amazing things with a very simple product, the green lemna meal. Mm-hmm. So that will inform us enough about our ingredient to later on decide what are the best applications. But further on, we want to scale up our decoloring process of the lemna meal and then target all CPGs companies, all plant-based food companies that are creating amazing things. We want to power the plant-based future.
And I know you've done a lot of different customer interviews to find exactly those ingredients that some of these companies are looking for. Can you talk about the number of the number of companies you've spoken with and what you've learned about what they're looking for and how many LOIs, samples sent, etc.?
Sure. So we talked to over 40 customers and we learned a lot. But mainly two things. One, they're all looking for alternative proteins. Most importantly, buying their ingredients for the plant-based foods. And how do they want it? They want clean labels, they want less refined products, and then they want natural ingredients. So we develop a product accordingly. Right now, we have sent 10 samples to 4 different countries. Mm-hmm. We have 20 companies on our waiting list. And it's amazing. In only 4 months, we managed to discover what our customers wanted, develop that product, send samples, and you can see our ingredient now in high-end chefs' cuisines.
Yeah, we just saw some really delicious looking food. And in fact, in that same film, we also saw that you have a unique business model that gives you a distinct advantage. So can you talk to us a little bit about how this advantage will help you to scale quickly?
Of course. So lemna is amazing. Everyone is trying to get it to the market. But what we have learned from our competitors is that the biggest pitfall is when you try to scale up your production capacity, the capex scales up radically. We solve that by using existing aquaculture infrastructure. And by having this sharing economy model, we create a win-win situation. We win because our production costs are way lower, and they win because we're giving farmers an extra revenue stream by cleaning their water.
Mm-hmm. And now can we talk a little about your strategy to protect your intellectual property around these ingredients that you are developing?
Sure. So one thing that we understood is that scalability is key to our success. So we decided to go to market really fast with a simple product, the green lemna meal, and then work our way up into more sophisticated ingredients over time. Our second product is the decolor lemna meal. Mm-hmm. And so our IP lies on that downstream process, on how we extract the color and taste of that lemna. But in the future, we have also performed IP landscape to better assess our opportunities and narrow down our R&D.
Absolutely.
And we know what we are going after.